Take this text effect as an example. I already downloaded it, so I'll just save to my downloads. After saving to your downloads, then you head over to your phone's browser. I'll be using Chrome in this tutorial. Then search for photopea.com, photopea.com. So on getting here, you want to click on open from computer, then click on media picker and locate the file that you just downloaded. For me, it's already under the recent, so you could locate it in your own phone's folder. You know how your phone works, so you just have to locate the folder that the file got downloaded to, then click on it. So after opening here, the first place you want to come to is here, right here. Then as you can clearly see here, this is where we are coming to, this text effect. I will just click on the arrow beside it, then click here, change text here. Just double tap. Once you double tap, it will bring you here, then click on this icon again. So now that you are here, make sure that this tool is selected so that you can operate. Once it's selected, then you can double tap. So once you double tap, you can change it to your desired text. Let me change it to money. Okay, so then you click on this place again, this icon again. So after clicking on this icon, then you can now go to the transformation tool. If you want to reduce the size, if you want to increase or reduce the size, or you want to centralize. So if this transformation tool is not selected, you will not be able to reduce the size or to enlarge it. Like this, you will not be able to reduce the size, you can only shift it. But once you want to reduce the size, you have to click on transformation tool. It's going to appear, and if you need to move it, then you have to untick the transformation tool for easy movement. So once it's done, you want to head back here to this file, then click on save smart object. So once you click on save smart object, then you can now come back here, and this is the file that we originally uploaded. So once you click on it, you will see the changes that we did has already reflected. This is the name, it has reflected already, but we don't want it to have any background. So you come back to the original place we went to when we opened the file, this icon. And clicking this icon, you just have to off the layers that is not necessary, like this. So you off this gradient fill, and you off this background, and this is not necessary too, so just off it. Any other thing that you think is not necessary, just off it so it's not going to reflect. Then click on this icon again, so you can see that it's clearly a PNG format now, no background. So to export it, you come back here to this file, you come back to the file, and you click on export as. You need to export as PNG. If you click on JPEG instead of PNG, this background will still appear. Yeah, it might still appear, to still appear if you click on JPEG. So if you don't want it to have any background, then you need to click on this PNG. you have to click on PNG format. So when we click on PNG format, so it's going to bring us here, so you can rename. That's optional though, I don't think it's necessary. You can rename, then you save. Click on save. So after saving, you will receive a notification that it has finished downloaded. So yes, it has downloaded. So let me show you a trick. You cannot really edit it once the edit has been done, but you can actually tweak it, concerning the color, because you might not necessarily be needing that color in your design. So let me show you a trick around it. So let's import the image we just downloaded. Yes, this is the image. So you can clearly see that it has no background. Let me see. See, it has no background. It's just the way it is. But what if you need another color and the type of design that you are working on? So you just click on it like this and you go to the color filter tool. Go to the color filter tool and gradually increase or decrease the hue according to the color of your preference. You can see the color is changing from blue to these various colors too, then to green and blue, and then the other color. You can also play with this, but I don't think this is necessary, so that it does not change the whole style of the design. So just play around with the hue if you need to change the color. Do not come to this text color if you want to change the color. If you click on it, you can see it will just change the whole thing, except you need this as another background. Perhaps you need this as a background and you want to place this on top of it. Maybe you want to customize again. But besides that, if you just need to change only the color, then use the color filter tool. Just use the color filter tool to change the color, and you can continue to work on your design as usual. So that will be all for now. Thank you. Bye.